What up, YouTube? We are out scouting for geese today. I'm going to do one more hunt tomorrow with a couple good buddies of mine. So we're going to do one last goose hunt of the year, and just so happens it's going to be on public property and the geese want it, so it's going to be the X. It'll be the first time I've ever hunted the X. Hopefully they get up this evening, fly to the river, and they'll be right back there tomorrow morning. So there's about I'd say about 150 plus in the field. So there's 3-man limit. We only need 15 of them. So here we go. Stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this. Two. We got him. There we are. We're in there. All right. last hunt of the year, all limited out. 3-man limit. Hey everybody, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. This was our last trip out. I'm glad that I got to do it with two of my good buddies, James and Jordan. And we limited out and had an amazing day. It was an hour's worth of hunting, and we had 15 geese on the ground. So this is the first time I've ever been on the X, and I believe it's the first time for any of them. I could be wrong, but it was fun. We set up, I think, 2 dozen decoys, 2.5 maybe, and very limited calling. Called every now and then, but they just came right in. So I just want to say thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please push that subscribe button if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.